Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth Rose again. Today I want to talk to you about a common question that we get here, and that is, how frequently do mortgage rates change? The answer, in a word, frequently. Very frequently. In fact, the market is moving all day long. It's quite dynamic. And here's what happens. We get up in the morning and the secondary market folks at each lender get to work. They check out what's going on in the market. They take a look at it. And then they gauge where they want to be as a company in that market. You see, the market is moving, but also while they're looking at what mortgage-backed security pricing is doing, which we've talked about before, they also have to take into consideration their capacity. And what does that mean? Well, you see, just like any other business, there's only so much that they can handle. If they're busting out at the seams, then they may just notch up their rate a little bit and work through their pipeline and clean things out before they pull the rates back down to where the market's performing. So from time to time you will see lenders with different rates because of this very thing. Aside from that though, let's get back to the root of the question. How frequently do rates change? Once these secondary market folks set their rates for the day, they're keeping an eye on the market all day long, just as I do here with my charts. And the market moves all day long, and we can have a rate change midday, in the morning, in the afternoon. We can have 2 rate changes. We've had days where there's 3 rate changes as the market ebbs and flows. And you can pretty much bet that when the market's improving, you'll be slower to see a rate change for the better. And as the market is falling off of a cliff, you can best bet that rates are going to move fast. They're going to change them for the worse pretty quickly. So the bottom line is this. If you are in the market for a mortgage right now and you're shopping around, make sure you shop all at the same time. Try to make all those phone calls one right after the other, because otherwise you could actually be comparing apples to oranges instead of apples to apples. And you know, if you're shopping in the morning and then in the afternoon, or even worse, if you're on different days of the week or even different weeks. I've seen that happen many, many times, and the information is so different because it does move very quickly. Hope you've found this tip helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.